will show you how to make a pencil stand. So we need these things. First, one old wrapping paper, one glue, and some decorating things. I don't have decorating things, that's why you can take this also if you don't have. If you have, just put some decorating things which you want. If you're putting this, just take a tape. So, and a plastic bottle. This bottle in 2 pieces. We will not use this piece. We can use for other activity. We will use this cup. Decoration with these balls. Stand is ready and decoration also. If you like the video, when we will